This creator made over $30,000 in 90 days through his faceless TikTok shop. Today, I'll show you how to make fully AI-generated photos and videos with SellerPick AI, plus a secret hack for lip-sync videos you're seeing right now. It's easier than you think. With SellerPick AI, you can create professional quality product photos, videos, or ads for your online store or social media in minutes. No fancy gear needed. Drop a like and ask your questions in the comments. I'll reply to all. Alright, let's start with virtual try-on photos. Perfect for showcasing hats, caps, or any product on a model. After you've signed up for SellerPick AI, head to the interface and click on the AI Model Image option. First, upload a clear image of your product. Let's say it's a hat. Pro tip: choose a front-facing or slightly angled photo with a clean or transparent background. Top or bottom angles? Not gonna work well, so skip those. On the right side, you'll see SellerPick's library of preset models. Pick one with a similar pose or hat style that matches your product. But what if you want to use your own model? No problem. I'll show you how to do that in just a sec. If you've got a custom model photo, click Custom and upload it. Select the category, in my case, hats and caps, and hit Create. Now, you'll need to draw the adjustment area for the hat. You can use the Auto Draw feature, but I recommend the brush or lasso tool for precision. Pro tip: make sure the adjustment area is in the right wearing position, not too big or too small, for a natural look. Also, avoid low-resolution photos, as they can make your product look blurry. Stick to high-quality images for a more professional look. Once you're happy, click Confirm. Boom! Your hat photo is ready, and it looks super professional. Let's do it again, but this time with a cap already on a model. Upload the cap photo, then head to Select Single Item to isolate the cap. Double-check it's cut out cleanly, then hit Confirm. Choose a preset model from the library. I'm picking this guy for a cool vibe. To make the cap fit perfectly, click Adjust Area and use the eraser to remove any extra bits. Pro tip: if you're using your own model, upload it here and adjust the area to make the cap sit just right. Look at that. 2 killer product photos that look like they came straight from a pro photo shoot. But wait, we're not done. You can edit these photos right in SellerPick AI, and I'll show you how to change colors and more in just a moment. Select your photo and click Edit. You've got tons of options here, but let's focus on color change. Click it, select your hat, and adjust the hue, saturation, or contrast on the right sidebar. Want to switch up the color entirely? Use the color picker at the top. I'll dive deeper into editing hacks later in the video, including a trick to make your photos pop even more. Now, I will show you examples of using SellerPick AI. Now, let's level up with lip sync videos. This is where SellerPick AI really shines for creating viral TikTok and Instagram ads. Trust me, this feature will make your products stand out, and I've got a pro tip to make your videos look flawless. If you only have product images without models, click Create Handheld Product Image. In the right sidebar, browse SellerPick's preset model selections or click Custom to upload your own model. For this example, I'm advertising vitamins, so I'll select Medication and Vitamins and pick this woman as my template model. Upload your product photo, then adjust the product size to fit the template's designated area. If the hand placement doesn't match, tweak the adjustment area. Important: don't make the adjustment area too precise, or it might mess up the result. Hit Generate, and you've got a promotional image of a model holding your product. Pro tip: if you notice imperfect edges, click Remix. Slightly expand the adjustment area beyond the product, but avoid covering hand product contact points, and generate again for better accuracy. Now, let's turn that image into a promotional video. Go to Lip Sync Video in the right panel. Choose a voiceover from SellerPick's voice library. You can filter by gender, age, accent, or tone for a natural vibe, or upload your own recorded voiceover. Next, add video direction prompts. Write what you want the avatar to do. For example, smile and hold the vitamins confidently. Not sure what to write? You can even use ChatGPT to craft the perfect prompt. I'll show you a hack for that later. Once ready, hit Generate.
This multivitamin is crafted to boost energy, support immunity, and enhance your overall wellness.
After finalizing, click the 3 dots next to download. You can also upload directly to TikTok or Instagram from here. Super easy. Let's try glasses and necklaces to show how versatile SellerPick AI is. Whether you're building a brand or running an online store, these tips will save you time and money. Upload a photo of your glasses. On the right, pick a preset model from SellerPick's library or upload your own. I'm choosing this woman for a stylish look. Quick tip: to make the glasses fit perfectly, adjust their size and angle to match the model's pose. Click Adjust Area. Use the eraser to remove unnecessary parts and keep only the glasses. Be careful not to overdo it. You don't want to erase too much. Hit Confirm. Pick your best photo and go to Edit. Want to swap the background? Click Background Replacer to remove the default wall automatically. Choose a preset background or write a prompt for a custom one. Again, ChatGPT can help with creative prompts. Look at this result. It's like a magazine ad. Now, for necklaces. Upload your necklace photo, select a preset model, or upload your own. You can find free model photos on sites like Pixabay or Unsplash. Adjust the necklace to match the model's position and size. Use the eraser in Adjust Area to remove extra parts, then hit Confirm. Here's a quick hack to make your photos look next level. Select your best photo, go to Edit, and click Image Enhancer. Choose your desired quality. The coolest part? 1K and 4K cost the same. Compare the before and after. The difference is insane. Don't forget, the link to SellerPick AI is in the video description. Also, check out these videos on your screen. They have super low views, so you've got a great chance to start earning with them before anyone else does. Seriously, click on them.